Hey guys, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the online class and welcome back to the chapter Robinson Crusoe. So today we are here with the chapter, and as you know, yesterday we have completed this chapter, and today we are going to see the exercises of this chapter. We are going to see the exercises of this chapter. Okay, now let's here some new words are given, and also I have given some new words in your assignment, so you have to study that all. Okay, now see, let's read. What is our first exercise is, let's read, in which we are question number 1 that is given. What made Robinson Crusoe think that the print on the ground was a footprint? What made him thought so, that it is the footprint of the print of a footprint? How he could say that? So it is clear from this statement that when he told that, so it is clear from this statement that it was the print of a foot, toes, heel, every part of a foot. That was the thing when he realized it was the print of a footprint. Okay. Why was Robinson afraid when he looked at the bushes and trees? When he looked towards the bushes and trees, he mistook that, and he thought that some man is behind him and who is chasing him. So that made afraid to Robinson. Why did Robinson pray when he saw the footprints? When he saw the footprints, he thought that some savages are there on the island, and if he will find him, he is going to means they are going to kill him and eat him. So he was praying for him. Okay. Question number 4. Choose the correct answer. You have to choose the correct option. Should I say the answer or you will do it by yourself? I want you to do this by your own. Okay, now let's see. As it is very easy, so maybe you will be able to. Okay, fine, I'll discuss it. Robinson ran back to his home as fast he could because he was afraid. He could not sleep because there was an animal outside his cave. He thought savages had come from the mainland. His bed was uncomfortable. What can be the correct answer? The correct answer will be the B. He thought savages had come from the mainland. Third, why was Robinson Crusoe sure that it was not his footprint? Why? Because it didn't look like a human footprint. It looked smaller than his. Yeah, it had not come to this part, means he had not come to this part of the beach in a long time. What can be the correct answer? So the correct answer will be, he had not come to this part of the beach in a long time. Where was Robinson Crusoe? On a boat, in a town, alone on an island, or on an aeroplane? Where was he? Robinson Crusoe was alone on an island. Okay. Now the next one is, let's talk. How would you feel if you saw unknown footprints outside your front door? This you have to answer it. We'll discuss it in the class. If you were alone at home and suddenly someone knocked at the door, what would you do? Means unknowingly you know that this time nobody is going to come at your house, and suddenly someone is knocking at your door. What you will do? So you have to answer it by your own. We can discuss it in the class also. Okay, now see, let's write. The word in the sentence are jumbled. Write them in the order. One is done for you. Okay, the words are means jumbled. You have to form a sentence, a meaningful sentence. You have to arrange in such a way that it will give a perfect meaningful sentence. Okay, first one is done for you. Now you have to do the rest one. Okay, first one is given. Alone was not Robinson an island on. You know what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. And here all the words are jumbled. So we have to means take some meaning from that sentence. Then we will arrange them in such a way that it will give perfect meaning. Okay. So how it has arranged? Robinson was not alone on an island. Okay. Was island the inhabited? How you will arrange it? The island was inhabited. Okay. I think you can do it. Rest of the questions you have to do it by yourself. I want you to do this. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. Also, you can do. Only you have to write means you have to add conjunction. You have to fill the conjunction for this given blanks in each sentence. So you have to fill the conjunction in the given blanks and complete your answers. Third, write a story on a strange footprint. Okay, you have to write a story over it. Where did you see the footprints? It can be your imagination. Use your imagination and you have to write this story in which whatever the things you have to include. Where did you see the footprints? What sort of a day was it? Did you see them at the night? What happened when you followed the footprints? What did you see? What happened then? You have to just imagine it and you have to write a story about it using this clues. Okay. Use the joining words given below and join the sentences in column A and B. Again, I want you to do this. First one is done for you. Like this, you have to first of all match the followings, which means you have to find the pairs. Okay, and later you have to add the conjunction word like or, and, so, but, because, and you have to use these words to match complete the sentences. First one is done for you. For example, I wrote the letter and I forget to post it. For completing this sentence, first I match the words, first I match the sentences, and after making it meaningful, what I did, I just added but between these two sentences. I wrote the letter but I forgot to post it. Like this, you have to complete this. Match the following. First, you have to match the sentences, and later you have to add this conjunction, this joining words or, and, so, but, because. Okay. So fun time. Look at the footprint shown here in the picture. You can see some footprint is here, right? So hint is that this is the footprint of the first man on the moon. Okay, his name was Dash. You must know this answer, that who was the first man who set his foot on the moon. You know that. But still I want everyone to answer it. I'll ask this in the class also. Second, let's create a pyramid. Use the following clues. It is very easy. Okay, a two-letter word beginning with B. You have to just fill this pyramid. It can be anything. It can be anything. You have to just use your sense and you have to fill this pyramid. Okay. If you have any kind of doubt, you can ask to me, but it is very easy. You have to just count the boxes, count the letters, and just think of meaningful word you have to fill in this pyramid according to the question numbers. Okay. First, you have to write the word which will begin with B, and it should be of two letters. Second, you have to start the word with C, and it will be of three letter. Okay, cap, cat, cab, anything you can write. Okay, in first B, I think B. Third, a four-letter word beginning with D. You have to start with D and you have to use only four letters for that. It may be anything. So 4 and 5 you can do it. I means you have to use your sense and just fill this pyramid. Okay. Let's work in pairs. So have a conversation with your partner based on the picture below. You can start as you have to means you have to create a conversation over this. Okay, you are looking this picture, right? So like that you have to means complete this conversation. You can do this conversation with your brother sister who are living with you nowadays in lockdown. Otherwise, when the school will have means if the school have been opened, then I think I would have discussed this in the class also. It can be an interesting part of this chapter, isn't it? Yeah, having a conversation with your partners, okay, it is the best thing. So you can start like hunter 1. Look at the footprints in the mud. What can the hunter 2 will say? Ah, it may be the footprints of animal who is living in that cave. So if you are not clear about this footprint, again the hunter 1 will say what? Ah, how do you know that this footprint of some animals? Again the hunter 2 will reply, again the hunter 1 will ask or he will reply. Okay, so this is called the conversation, and here we end our this exercise also. Okay, so this is all about the chapter and the exercises. Go with the exercises and the chapter question answers, whatever meanings, word meanings. Okay, and if you have any kind of doubt in any exercises, you can ask to me. But I hope there will be no any doubts. Okay, in let's write also jumble words are given. You just have to form a meaningful sentence. Okay, in fill in the blanks also you have to just add and, but, because. So this is very easy. I have already done this earlier also. And in the match the following also, you have to match the perfect match you have to find for each sentences, and later you have to add join words or and, so, but, because. Okay, so this is all about the chapter, and let's tomorrow we'll meet again. So for today, this is all the best.